Today, I'm going to show you how to check your AnyDesk number in just a few seconds. This is a super simple tutorial, but if you've just installed AnyDesk for the first time or you're helping someone connect to your computer, knowing where to find this number is very important. Your AnyDesk number is basically your address inside the app, and it's the code you share with someone when you want them to connect to your device. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open AnyDesk on your computer or laptop. You can launch it from your desktop shortcut, from your start menu, or from your applications folder depending on the device you're using. Once you open it, give it a few seconds to load fully. Sometimes the app takes a moment to connect and display all the information on the main screen, so just wait until everything appears clearly. Now look at the main AnyDesk window. On this screen, you should see a section labeled "This Desk" or your address. This is the most important part. The number shown in that box is your AnyDesk number. In many cases, it will be a long numeric code, and that is what other people use to connect to your computer. If you're trying to help someone remotely, this is the number they'll need from you. Once you find the number, you can click on it to copy it. This is the fastest way to get it ready for sharing. Clicking the number usually highlights it or copies it automatically, depending on your version of AnyDesk. If it doesn't copy right away, you can also right-click and choose the copy option if available. After that, the number is saved to your clipboard and ready to paste into a message, email, or chat. Now that you have copied your AnyDesk number, you can share it with the person who needs to connect to your device. Just make sure you only share it with someone you trust, especially if they are going to use remote access. AnyDesk is a powerful tool, so it's always a good idea to be careful about who you give access to. If you're helping a friend, coworker, or client, you can simply send them the number and ask them to enter it into their AnyDesk app. Once they do that, you may receive a connection request, and you'll be able to approve it before they access your screen. That way, you stay in control of the connection. So to quickly recap, open AnyDesk, look for this desk or your address, copy the number, and then share it with the person who needs to connect. That's all it takes to check your AnyDesk number. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.